What is up and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the Maserati and we're gonna go pick up the pickup truck. The Ram Rebel is lifted, BDS 4-inch air suspension on it. I've been waiting for this for such a long time. So we're heading there and we're probably gonna be dropping the Maserati there for a little exhaust modification. But first, I'm gonna go pick up Casper. Why the hell are you eating fish in my car? What is this?
No fish, dude.
What up? Truck's outside getting washed because it's filthy.
Why didn't you clean it yesterday?
Because we were still working on it.
Was it an easy job or was it hard?
It wasn't hard, but you had to like cut a few things and just make sure that everything fits nicely. I mean, this thing was built nicely done parts. Sometimes they tell you they fit and you know you gotta fiddle around with them. BDS did a great job with this kit. I like it.
If this video gets 150,000 likes, you never know. I'm just gonna go by numbers.
150,000 likes.
Yeah. 150,000 likes, so Saladin is gonna install the biggest, baddest alignment kit in the game.
Holy hell! Look at that! Beast mode. That looks badass, man. It looks so much better. Look at that clearance in there. Here's a little something that Salah did. He fixed the skid plate.
Oh, she big.
Oh, she did. She really big. Got the fog shocks in the back. So this is aero mode when you've got the air suspension set to that. So it's basically like the lowest mode you can drive in. Like an inch higher than the highest mode without the kit. And that's just before we take it outside. So putting it to the highest settings. Be like an extra, what, 2 inches? Can you stand next to it? It's hard to get it in frame, it's massive.
Give you an idea of what you look like getting in and out of this thing.
Well, this is in the highest settings, so it's not the easiest thing to do.
Wait, hold up.
Side steps.
Huh? Side steps needed.
Ejected and holy hell.
Here's the handlebar.
She's gonna tell him to put side steps
Oh yeah, real quick. I've got a lot of room on the front.
I think maybe go 14 wide now.
Right, I ain't mounting those, that's for sure. This is the captain himself who did all the work.
So if it wasn't Ramadan, they would probably do it in a couple of hours.
Probably.
The tires look tiny now. Like these are what, 35s by 12.5? Need to go for 37s, I guess. A normal ride height thing is like here. Like a car next to it, it's literally like gonna be same level as a semi. Like yo,
This is normal mode.
go all the way down to exit entry. As soon as you start driving, it goes up. It doesn't stay there. The exit entry. So this is like pretty much what it looked like before.
Oh, that's, yeah.
Feels a lot nicer to drive. Still don't have the alignment done, so the wheel is a bit tilted to the side, and we need to find a place that can do that. Worst case scenario, you're going to use the broom.
Where you kind of use the end of the stick to make sure that it's somehow aligned. I know if someone's gonna like be eagle-eyed and like so in the comment section, no, that's not how you do it. I don't care. I've done it before. It works. So yeah, that's the alternative. That's worst case scenario.
37s?
Maybe it might be the move.
Wait, what was that you said about putting 37s on?
No, in the beginning, no, you can go flashback, but like, I think for this size, it makes a lot more sense, but unfortunately in Bahrain, those tire sizes are just not really available, so the next trip we do out when we go to Dubai, hopefully if it works out that way, then we can actually take the truck with us down there, do the swap, and then come back and have everything aligned as good as possible.
Alright, so we're back at the warehouse, and as you can see, we got the stock tires in the bed because we can't really align this truck without them. There's no machinery on the island that can actually align this thing. So that's what we're gonna do next. But you here, I think it's easier to see the truck as a whole. There's more space around it. It really fills up the frame. So I need to get a little bit of distance on it. There's Casper's height compared to the truck. Right now, I believe it's in aero mode. So it's not at the highest setting that I can drive on the highway, for example. And after that, there's still an extra inch for off-roading up to like 20-30 miles an hour. Yeah, you can be in that mode until it will automatically pass that, kind of go down back to the normal ride height. But it is pretty insane. Oh, putting on the sticker. Make it official. There it is. That's it from me, guys. Thank you so much. Once everything is done, I'll be taking the truck off-road and seeing how it does. Also, Casper just got a farm. Congratulations, Casper.
Thank you very much.
And also got a big piece of land, so maybe we might have a little ranch for some.
It's not maybe 100%.
Okay, 100%. We're gonna have a little ranch to do some off-roading with. Maybe we'll build a creek. I don't know.
We need to completely redo the ground. So we have about 3 months of absolute mayhem down there.
Yes. And we'll probably have some heavy machinery videos coming up as well. Dozer life.
Here we go.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.